Bruschetta, or bruschetta as Italians say, is an easy and great crowd pleaser. The basic bruschetta is a grilled piece of bread rubbed with garlic and topped with olive oil and salt. For variations, you can put any toppings you want. Slice any Italian bread, baguette, or sourdough into half an inch. Grill until you get nice grill marks. Rub a fresh garlic clove. The basics of making vinaigrette is 1 part of acidity and 2 parts of oil. Add salt and pepper, that's it. I'm adding 1 part of aged white balsamic vinegar, 2 parts of extra virgin olive oil, and season with salt and pepper. If you don't have aged balsamic vinegar, use any vinegar of your choice and add a little honey. Add chopped tomatoes, sliced basil, feta cheese, white balsamic vinaigrette we have just made. I forgot to add chopped red onions, so I later added them. Red onions add extra flavor and texture. Place some on the bread we have just prepared. Add halves of grapes, salt and pepper, fresh lemon juice, and extra virgin olive oil. Oh, I almost forgot fresh mozzarella. Mix all together and place some on the bread. This is Italian cured ham called prosciutto. Tear some and put as a topping. Drizzle a little honey. Spread goat cheese. Place some sautéed or baked vegetables. I am using baked cauliflowers. Drizzle dark aged balsamic vinegar or balsamic glaze. That's it. It's so easy yet so delicious and impressive. Bon appetit!